$1 billion liquidated as Bitcoin hits 12-day lows. Casting doubt on Uptober rally. Is BTC dead? Bitcoin crashes to 12-day lows, triggering $1 billion liquidations in 20 minutes as Uptober rally hopes fade. Crypto journalist Hassan. Crypto journalist Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 1 hour ago. Bitcoin, BTC, crashed to 12-day lows below $115,000 on Monday, triggering over $1 billion in liquidations within 20 minutes and marking the largest liquidation cascade of 2025. The sudden price drop generated $1.7 billion in total liquidations over 60 minutes, with $1.01 billion coming from long positions as overleveraged traders faced margin calls. The crash undermined optimism around Uptober, Bitcoin's historically bullish October performance, where the asset has gained value 10 out of 12 times since 2013. Bitcoin hasn't posted an October loss since 2018's 3.8% decline, with massive gains of 48% and 40% during bull market years 2017 and 2021, respectively. Crypto markets lost $80 billion in total capitalization as Bitcoin fell to $114,270, while Ethereum dropped over 4% below $4,300 to 2-week lows. The sell-off occurred during Sunday night's low liquidity session, when thin order books amplify price movements and create conditions for cascading liquidations. Despite the carnage, institutional flows remained positive with $1.9 billion entering digital asset investment products last week, driven by Bitcoin's $977 million and Ethereum's $772 million inflows. According to the latest CoinShares report, total assets under management reached a year-to-date high of $40.4 billion, positioning the market to match or exceed 2024's $48.6 billion inflows. The Great Leverage Purge. When bulls get burned. The liquidation event primarily targeted heavily leveraged long positions concentrated between $113,000 to $114,000 price levels, where traders had accumulated maximum risk exposure. Bitcoin liquidation heatmaps revealed over $100 million in long positions wiped out as the price dipped under $115,000, with most damage occurring in tight clusters around key psychological levels. The magnitude of liquidations exceeded March's previous record, with over 95% coming from bullish bets rather than short positions. Some analysts described the event as a necessary market cleansing, where overleveraged positions needed to be flushed to reset the market structure for future advances. They believed the purge was a healthy market correction, clearing excessive speculation before potential fourth-quarter rallies. The reset eliminated weak hands while creating opportunities for institutional accumulation at lower price levels, potentially setting the foundation for sustained advances. Low weekend liquidity amplified the impact as institutional traders remained offline, leaving retail positions vulnerable to cascading margin calls. The Sunday night session historically produces outsized moves due to reduced participation from major market makers and institutional liquidity providers. As it stands now, traditional Uptober optimism faced scrutiny amid conflicting analyst predictions, with some warning that seasonal trends appeared less likely this year, given macro headwinds. At the same time, some analysts also maintained a bullish outlook, expecting markets to sink to $112,500 before October's explosive final leg. Technical analysis. Critical trendline test determines Bitcoin's fate. Bitcoin faces its most significant technical test since April's uptrend began. According to Ali Chart, a prominent market analyst, the 4-hour inverse head and shoulders formation around $112,800 suggests potential recovery, with measured move targets reaching $129,000 to $130,000 if the pattern completes successfully. However, historical cycle analysis comparing 2025 to 2021 patterns indicates Bitcoin may be in Wave 4 correction within a larger impulse structure. The cyclical framework suggests current weakness is following a pattern of normal corrective behavior before a final Wave 5 advance, which could either go up or down depending on various catalysts, though timing remains uncertain. This setup can also be viewed from a slightly more balanced perspective, as Bitcoin's test of the ascending trend line that supports the entire uptrend from the $75,000 lows. Daily chart analysis reveals this trend line faces its first serious challenge, creating a binary setup where Bitcoin must hold support or face accelerated declines toward $92,500 to $95,000 levels. Bitcoin's immediate fate hinges on defending the ascending trendline support around $110,000 to $112,000, with successful defense potentially triggering relief rallies toward $118,000 to $120,000. However, a decisive break below this critical support would invalidate the bullish trend structure and likely accelerate declines toward $95,000 to $100,000 levels, representing 17 to 20% downside from current prices. The $1 billion liquidation event may have cleared excessive leverage, creating conditions for stabilization. However, broader market sentiment and institutional responses to current levels will determine whether Bitcoin can maintain its uptrend or faces extended corrective pressure into the fourth quarter. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Dogecoin and Picoin by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. Institutional on-ramp goes live in October. XRP can become the next Wall Street darling. Perplexity AI predicts the price of XRP, Shiba Inu and Pepe by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. XRP ETF set to launch this week. $100 breakout finally coming? XRP price prediction. XRP ETF smashes records on CBOE debut. Is Ripple ready to flip BTC in flows? Features. Lord Miles. Polymarket chaos over claim YouTuber died during 40-day fast. 2 days ago. By Connor Sefton. Price analysis. Shiba Inu price prediction. Insane volume plus falling wedge equals SHIB's most explosive setup in years. 2 days ago. By Alejandro Arich. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Why one analyst sees a deeper correction to $2.90. 2 days ago. By Arslan Butt. Best crypto to buy now in September 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 6 days ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in September 2025. Top new crypto coins. 4 days ago. By Inesis Tavares. 14 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 3 days ago. By Alan Draper. 16 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in September 2025. 6 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 6 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 5 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 7 hours ago. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. September 11, 2025. By Ben Beto.